Hey defense, can talk about reference to millibytes unpack? Uh, this basically version is I can't pronounce the name, but it's basically installer trick keychain. Basically, its adware install was found taking advantage of that dyd underscore print to file underscore file verbally in OS X. Now millibytes research, um, you know. Who discovered this issue has found a new variant of this installer. This pulled some new tricks. This installer is essentially the same as the last one, but update as that will no longer be blocked by OS X anti-malware protection. It has some icons installed, some things, research Mac keyboard, and direct the use App Store version of download shuttle. When you running this installer, it will ask you for a admin password, then process to show a license agreement for DL drop, optimum search, and Mac keyboard. If this user agrees to all, this installer will seem to enter the prompt to open an App Store, download the app, download Shadow app. However, in the background, often the user will notice that new disk image called installer being mounted shortly after something usually happens as seen in brief video. So I'll put the description down the link and you guys can look at the video. Do you blink? If it's so, may miss seeing OS X asks okay allowed something called installer to access the keychain. So what is so interesting about this, you may ask, is quite simply the fact that allowed the button in the load automatically click as soon as it appears. It turns out the fake download shuttle and download another disk image file named gn.dmg is background opens and turns an app named installer. That is that disk image. When the installer image finished its task, the disk image unmounts, ejects, etc. and then in that gn.gmn file is deleted. The installer app contains coding that emits identify the location, allow button from the keychain alert on the screen, and submit the click on the button. So basically that's a coding, I guess, they found, that millibytes found. Not found, but new variant of it, I guess, but found a new variant. And it says, I'm not going to read all of it, it's basically pretty long, but as aware of the Mac becomes increasingly prevent sneaky, it's important to use understand how protecting themselves, because the one thing as recent our install have in common, they are really on being able to trick users running the installer. So it's basically adware, but dangerous adware. So very dangerous adware. So I highly recommend to get antivirus that protects from this issue, and also do not install that thinks something's wrong. Make sure it's something that is legit. Make sure it's okay. Make sure you can research it before you download it. Very important. And I highly recommend, if you do not know something, call the manufacturer. Then they will tell you. If they do not know, do not install it. So this is reference to millibytes unpacked. I'll put their link down in the description, and like I said, this is reference to them. That's it, guys, and bye bye.